For those of you who have just joined us, we've already been talking about all the geography skills and tools that we've already learned about this term. And today we get to learn another one. So today we're learning about sketch maps. Does anyone want to take a stab in the dark what a sketch map might be? Yeah?
Is it when you sketch?
That is such a good answer. So I'm giving out lollies today, so if you're really good in class or you answer questions, I'll give you a lolly. So there you are, thank you for answering. Anyone else think they might know what a sketch map is? That's okay, because today you get to learn. Got a little handout, so if you could take one and pass it around, that'll be really good, and we'll set the pens this way. So on this little activity, would someone volunteer and read out what the bold writing says underneath the title? Lexi, that'd be really good.
Sketch maps are drawings of the main features of a landscape. They could be taken from memory, photo, or from observing an area.
That's really good reading. You can have a lolly for that. So yeah, that's exactly what they are, and we're going to discuss together and work out what a sketch map is even more than just that. So a sketch map is when you go outside or you're looking at something and you just draw the main features, you don't have details. So if we can, today our activity is, if you can read just the little question.
Hello.
Yes, please.
The first question?
Yeah.
What can you notice about these examples of sketch maps?
Do you want to read the second one? That's a little typo. It's supposed to say, what do they all have in common? So today what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what these two have in common. So we get to figure out what the features of a sketch map is. So does anyone notice anything similar about them now? Yeah? They have a key. So you can write that down in your little answer section. Have a lolly. They have a key. Why might they have a key?
So you know what everything means?
That's exactly right. Because we're only looking at the main features of something, we can have little symbols that let us know what those things are. What are the other things that might be similar between them? Yeah?
They each have a heading.
A heading? Yes, so important. Then we know what the map is. Because that first one, it looks a bit like, you know, just some scribbles and some lines, but now I know that it's the ethno-linguist families of Iran. Thank goodness for titles, right? What else is the same? Oh, sorry, you get a lolly for that page. Don't need it all at once. They have a scale. So often we're not going to be drawing, if something's 50 metres long, we're not going to be drawing for 50 metres long, are we? No, that's not good. Also the thing is that we're looking down. So we might not be getting a helicopter today and look at the school, but we're looking down, so we've got to think of from memory, or we look at a photo to just draw a sketch of it. So that's why they're called sketch maps. Does anyone have the time by any chance?
No.
Cool, thank you for that. Also, anything else that anyone notices about them? So they have the key, the scale. They're from a bird's eye view, which another way of putting that in, if you're a geographer, you might say it's from an aerial perspective. Bird's eye view. Yeah?
They're breaking up areas.
Breaking up areas, yeah. So we only, some things might not even be included. So today we actually get to draw one of these maps. That's our next activity. But for right now, that concludes our class, I think. Is that about 10 minutes?